My name is Shari Mendez, and I am an application specialist at Brainworks. I do the implementations, the training, the installs of the AR product. The AR product is your accounts receivable end of the Brainworks. We do everything from the billing, display order entry, billing receivables, cash, balance in your month, your statements, all that has to do with your accounts receivable of your advertising business. I actually started working for a local newspaper in New Hampshire back in 1984, and I started there in the accounting department, and I just constantly worked my way up. So I did a lot of stuff in the accounting department. The paper I worked at that point needed to change vendors for their AR system, and I was among the team to go out and look for a new vendor. So I helped make the decision to switch to Brainworks at the paper that I worked for. Brainworks is constantly being enhanced. We're not a company that stands still. Our product doesn't stand still. We're constantly enhancing and putting new features in the products. Things that everyone's always looking for is reporting, ease of reporting, customer service. Is everything right at our fingertips? Credit management. You know, we want to be able to get that money in. Without getting that money in, we're going nowhere. The whole enhancement of Brainworks is based upon our customers and their needs. We can go through here and I can show you so much that was done for specific customers, because what's in Brainworks is right now is what the customer needs. So each site that I go into might have special requirements that they need in a software application. And we basically have built the application towards that because we want to be able to accommodate everyone's needs. And chances are your needs are someone else's needs also, which is what has enhanced the product over the years. After the software is sold to an individual, I'll go in and I'll do what I call a pre-install. And I actually tear apart your business rules and so that we know how to set up the system to best accommodate your needs. After an install is done, if a client has a problem, they'll email what we call the New York support line. So we have a website that goes to New York support, which actually reaches all of our support people. All of our technical people see the same email. So if I'm tied up in an install, Leslie might take the email. If Leslie's tied up and I'm not, I might take the email. So we all work with it together. One of the nice things about the whole Brainworks process is that your support costs as a customer will constantly keep you in tune with the latest version that we have. We have customers that have been on the system for 8 years or so that have paid minimal, that have an application that's totally up to date because they just keep up with their support. The thing that sets Brainworks apart, and I've heard this from many clients and I'll continue to say this forever, the thing that sets the whole Brainworks team apart is because we are a team and we work together and we're dedicated to our clients. My clients have become my best friends. They love me, I love them, and we work because we have that working relationship. We all get along and they know that I am there for them 24/7. The product itself has changed tremendously. The nice thing about it is because I was a user and I've seen it gradually grow that, I mean, when you look at the product now, there's so much to it, but you know, I've started with it in the very beginning. I've seen it grow, I've seen it enhance. I can't even begin to explain how much it's come in the last 8 years. We're constantly trying to stay ahead of technology, and I just see great things. I saw 5-6 years ago when we purchased the old FSI system, we integrated it into Brainworks. We went from strictly AR to AR and classified. We're now AR classified pagination, and we've just added circulation. We're steps ahead of technology out there, and we're going to continue to be that way.